Okay, so hello. आज मैंने very randomly सोचा that let us just start like a nice new video, and yeah, I'm just starting this vlog very randomly. So it is a Monday today. It's the 16th of September. आज मेरी classes थी, so went for that, and then I like woke up really late today. मैं कुछ ज़्यादा देर सो गई. I don't know why. Putting myself to study after that is a real task, you guys, but I just thought upon vlogging. So yeah, that was like the whole thing that I had to tell you about today. Now let's just move on and start this vlog, guys. अभी का तो plan पढ़ने का है, so yeah, let's go. Okay, so I just thought upon starting with some physics today, and as I said that आज मैं वापस आकर के क्लास से बहुत ज़्यादा देर सो गई थी, so I was like taking a lot of time normal होने के लिए, and you know to get in that flow of studying मैंने बस एक study with me video लगा लिया YouTube पे, that like really helps me these days. तो आज ना क्लास में we didn't really get the time notes लिखने के लिए, so I just first sat down to complete that, and इसके बाद मेरा plan था to just revise all of that and also do some NCERT का reading, and अब तो like both are approaching just in a few more months, and now we have to like get into NCERT seriously. and मैं सच बताऊँ तो मुझे physics की NCERT reading बहुत ज़्यादा helpful होती है because it just makes my concepts even much more clear. Okay, hi guys. So I'm actually stepping out today, and I just thought upon shooting like a little get ready with me. So I just got done with a shower, and also I'm like done with my skincare. So I have like two things to go right now. First is to choose an outfit. Second is that I really want to do something with my hair today. So we are like gonna be doing that. So first let us just pick an outfit. Okay, so I've got like these two options, and I think that I'll be going with this one. Okay, so the outfit is done. Now I'll just be using one thing for my face that does it all, and that's like this lipstick. That was like it. Now finally moving on to do something for my hair, and for that I've got my hands on something really amazing. Like just let me show you all. So I've like been seeing this product since such a long time, and I really like wanted to get my hands on it. So I'm like talking about this hair straightening comb from Agaro. Now let me just explain its features to you all. So this one has got 5 temperature settings up to 210 degrees Celsius, and you know the best part that it automatically shuts off after 20 minutes. So this product is like truly energy efficient. So there is like a user manual in it. It also has a 1-year warranty. The manual very nicely guides about how the product has to be used. Also, you'll be getting this glove that you can wear while using the product for safety purposes. So you just need to plug it into the power socket and then press the power button to turn it on. So you can set it to the temperature required according to your hair quality, and then just go on with straightening. So you can just split the hair and then tighten the hair root and place the prepared hair in the comb, and then just pull down the comb slowly from the root to the tip of the hair. You know this straightening comb has got advanced coating material for that easy glide, and the ionic technology in it helps to reduce frizz. So as you can see, this is the side of the hair that I have straightened, so it instantly gave my hair that shine and bounce and also reduced the frizz. Guys, it's like done, and just look at it. Like I am so much in love with this product, and it's like so easy peasy to use. You like really need to get your hands on this ASAP. So yeah, I'm just gonna be putting the link to this hair straightening comb in the description box, so you must go and check that out. It like really will get your hair sorted for all those events coming up. Now I'm like running late, so yeah, bye. I'll be seeing you after that. ओके तो हेलो, मैंने वापस आकर के एक अच्छा सा नैप लिया, एंड आफ्टर विच आई एम नाउ राइट हियर टू गिव यू अ लिटिल डेस्क टूर. तो मैंने ना ये कुछ एलिमेंट्स ऐड किया है ऑन माई डेस्क, लाइक दीज क्रोशे फ्लावर्स, एंड ऑल्सो आई एडेड दैट सेंटेड डिफ्यूजर, एंड ये साथ में इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है ना दैट व्हाट डू आई टेल यू. साइड में मैंने कुछ नोवेल्स एंड बुक्स वगैरह भी रख दिया, एंड इस साइड पे आई जस्ट स्विच्ड माई पेन स्टैंड, एंड या दैट वाज लाइक प्रिटी मच इट अबाउट अ लिटिल डेस्क अपडेट एंड टूर. Okay, hello, I'm like back, and abhi ka plan is to sit down to study. So yeah, let us just get going with that. मैंने start किया with doing some organic chemistry, and guys, as I told you कि ये vlog मैंने बहुत randomly start किया था, so it just turned out to be a nice 2-3 days का vlog, and मैंने सोचा that I'll just be compiling all of them. तो yeah, I really hope that you all will be liking it. तो अभी ना हमारी organic की syllabus almost end होने के verge पे है, मतलब we are just doing the last few chapters and topics, and you know next month तक मेरे coaching में भी सारा syllabus and all will be getting done, and thinking about it just makes me feel so much scared. You know like next month के बाद कुछ ही हफ्ते रह जाएंगे for our exams to come, and you know इतना सारा stress बढ़ जाएगा. To be honest at this point I really don't feel that much prepared, and यार सच में डर तो लगता ही है, but let us just see how does things turn up to be. Anyways फिर at this point I was like done with my whole entire day, and it was like time to wrap things up, so let's go. Thanks to belong together. My darling, now it's so good. Once in a lifetime. You are that love of mine, the lines wishing on you be mine. I feel okay when I smile. Down the lines all the time. Where'd you go? Never face. I say okay, so done with a nice music jamming session and also my skincare side by side. It was now time to just pack my bag because कल वापस से I had my class. तो बस मैंने जल्दी से अपने notebooks वगैरह arrange किए according to the timetable. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा time तो नहीं लगता है obviously, but you know रात को बैग पैक कर लेने से ना मुझे next day के लिए बहुत prepared feel होता है, and morning में hustle भी बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो जाता है. So that's a great thing. Okay, so once that was like done, I just realized कि मैंने अपना lunch box बैग में ही छोड़ रखा था अब तक, and this is like a very bad habit of mine, and मैं मम्मा से हमेशा डांट सुनती हूँ for this. पता नहीं कैसे, but like I always forget to take it out. Hello, so it is a good afternoon. This is the next day and इस time मैं अपने coaching से वापस आ रही थी. It was like about 2:30, 3 o'clock, and सच्ची बताऊँ ना मैं इस वक्त बहुत ज़्यादा exhausted feel करती हूँ. Hi, so I just like came back right now. Please ignore everything that's behind. I know my room is a mess, but I'm like so super exhausted. The traveling things really sucks me. I'll just be getting fresh right now. I'll be changing, having my lunch, be getting refreshed. So yeah, I'll be seeing you after that. So it was like about the evening time, and मैं आ गई थी किचन में अपने लिए एक अच्छी सी आइस टी बनाने के लिए because I had to sit down to study. क्योंकि मुझे ना ऐसे कुछ तो चाहिए होता है शाम में which can like make me feel awake and like all refreshed. So let's make an iced tea together.
One eternity later.
Guys, please don't ask me that why am I always listening to music, because to be honest I too don't know, but I'm like so much into music. I just love it. But ठीक है, leaving all of that aside, मैं बैठ गई थी वापस पढ़ने. I was feeling like so much refreshed after having a nice cup of iced tea. I know that ये vlog थोड़ा सा chaotic side पे हो गया, but I really hope that you all enjoyed watching it, and obviously I'll be making more and more good videos for you all. But for that you'll have to make sure that you have subscribed, and yeah guys, I'll be seeing you in the next one. तब तक के लिए bye bye.